For a lateral drop off an attempted knee to my stomach. So we got the over and under clinch. Now he's going to be able to knee me with his right knee right to the body or to the groin. Okay, so I need to deflect it. Okay, so what I do is, in this position, I'm just going to bring my hand line up with my groin. Okay, and what's going to happen? The knee is going to get deflected right up this way. It'll never make contact. Okay. As such. So right there, he goes right up. Okay. So, got the clinch. He starts. I see him step back with his leg. I know he's going to knee because he's stepping back with it, get a little more power and distance. So I'm here, comes right up. See, and I catch it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my knees, step in and tight, and lift with my hips. I'm going to cut it with my knee and do a lateral drop. Okay. So once I get him up, my knee's going to tap his knee, and I turn him sideways and step back. And get knee on chest. Okay. So once again. Blocks, comes right up. Catch under. Don't do this. He can step down, he can pull his leg down and break it away. You don't want to do that. Just, it's a waste of time. Deflect it, come up high. So now try, he can't pull his knee down. Okay, now I'm going to bend my knees a little bit. Step in deep. I'm going to lift with my hips. Okay? And then I turn, get knee on chest. Okay? Once again, behind. Knees, catch under, bend my knees, step in deep, lift, knee on chest. Okay? Another angle from the right side. Block, deflect, bend my knees, step in, lift, drop, knee on chest. Okay?